When you're enjoying an extended camping trip, Carefree's Awning Stabiliz'r is an easy way to provide further support to Carefree's Latitude and other vertical arm awnings. Attaching the pole kit is easy and only takes minutes. First, extend the awning and set the desired pitch according to the awning's instructions. Once extended, turn the awning power switch to its off setting. This prevents the awning from retracting when the supports are attached. Remove the support poles from the package and place the support cradle on the end of one pole under the roller tube at one end of the awning. Position the cradle between the end cap and the canopy fabric. Then open the height lever on the vertical support pole and adjust the height of the support to the desired height. Adjustment can be from 55 inches to 108 inches in height. The stabilizer support pole is not to be used for adjusting the pitch of the awning. Always use the awning's pitch adjustment mechanism to set the desired pitch before installing the awning stabilizer supports. Next, take a tension strap and put one of the provided stakes through the D-ring at the end of the strap that has the tension adjustment rings. Drive the stake into the ground approximately 5 to 6 feet in front of the awning. Now loop the other end of the strap over the top of the roller tube and attach the D-ring to the hook on the stabilizer pole's cradle. Tighten the strap by pulling on the open end of the strap at ground level. The tension rings will keep the strap taut. Now one side is complete, and you should repeat the procedure at the other end of the awning. Once fully set up, you should not adjust the awning pitch unless you loosen the tension strap and lower the vertical support pole before making the adjustment. Failure to do so can cause damage to the awning. When you want to pack up, open the height adjustment lever on the support pole and gently pull down on the awning roller tube. This will release the D-ring from the hook on the cradle. Remove the tension strap and the support pole, and repeat for the other side. To avoid damage to the awning, it is important to always remove the stabilizer supports before retracting the awning. The Carefree Awning Stabiliz'r is another exceptional lifestyle-enhancing product. By following these simple, quick usage instructions, you will enjoy your patio even more during your extended camping stays.